Hello and welcome to the next video and lecture from this course on how to create graphic designs using Crello, a cloud-based free online app. Now, as you have previously seen in the other lectures, this is how your dashboard looks like after you sign into the application. And what I want to show you right now in this video and lecture is how you can use photo text, a function which we haven't seen in other similar platforms with Crello. So this is something that they have as an advantage, as an extra benefit, something that you can find only on Crello as far as we have seen. So what we'll do right now, so that we can exemplify and show you how you use the photo text function, is we will try to create a Facebook post. So we will select create a design Facebook post. Okay. We will just choose a template for the sake of the example, so the first one. And you will see that in the left side menu here, you have some options, including the option to add text. Okay, we will select the text option. And you will see here that we have some other sub options from where we can choose, like add the heading text, so a bigger text, a subheading text, a body text, and the photo text. What we are interested in is using the photo text. Okay, so we will select add photo text. And this is the photo text that we have. Okay, I will just move this below so you can see it. So what exactly is the photo text? For example, let's say that you have a photo that you want to upload and use in the photo text. If you use edit text at the color of the text or at the background of the text itself, okay, you will see that you have different colors. This is actually a photo. Okay, so what you can see behind or as the background or as the color of the text is an actual photo. Now let me show you this more exactly so you can understand. If I go to my files and I have this image here, if I just take this image from here, I can put this in my photo text. Okay, can you see that? The photo text has changed. Okay, it looks like my image right now. So it took parts of the image itself. It's like applying with the text a mask over the image. Okay, and that's it. So that's how it looks like. And if you select the text itself, you can also edit the text. Okay, you can select edit text. We are here. Okay. And you can see after you click on the photo text that now you can see this text as a mask for that photo. And you also have the options of a photo, okay, the editing options of a photo. You can see them in the left side. So you can add effects to the photo and stuff like that. So everything that a photo can have as an effect, you can have in the photo text. So this is how you use the photo text. Okay, very, very simple. And this can actually be a very powerful tool and very let's say very impressive from an artistic standpoint. So in different cases this can be very useful. You know how you can make use of this, maybe in your ads, maybe to showcase something as a poster, maybe you are an artist or something like that. But the photo text can be an actual very, very let's say useful function. Now I hope that you understood how to use this. Thank you very much for watching, and we are looking forward to see you in the next